Introduction. PKN learning in elementary school is expected to develop democratic education to carry out three main functions, namely developing civic intelligence or civic knowledge, fostering civic skills, and forming civic disposition. Learning is the conscious effort of a teacher to learn student or direct student instruction with other learning resources in order to achieve the expected goals. PKN have fundamental goals, namely to form student as civics who have character. PKN in primary schools are generally still dominated by the use of lectures, and their activities are more teacher-centered. Wonder learning media that attracts students in primary schools is learning videos. Method: Educational Research and Development, or R&D, is a process used to develop and validate educational products. The steps of the process are usually referred to the R&D cycle, which consists of studying research findings pertains to the product to be developed, developing the product based on the finding, field testing. It is the setting where it will be used eventually, and revising it to correct to the first found in the field testing stage. Indicating the product meets its behaviorally defined objects. Berg and Gall. Research and information collecting include the study of literature relating to the problem being studied and profession to formulate a research framework. 2. Planning input in the step or formulating skills and experts relates to the problem, determining the objectives to be achieved to a stage, and if possible, required to carry out a limited feasibility study. 3. Develop the primary form of product, which is to develop the initial form of the product to be produced. Includes in the step is the preparation of supporting component, preparing builds and manual, and evaluating to feasibility of supporting tools. 4. Primarily field testing, which is conducting install field trial of limited scale by involving of many 6-12 subjects. In the step, data collection and the analysis can be done by interview, observation, or questionnaire. Main product revision, which is to make improvements to the initial products based on the result of the initial trial. This improvement is possible to be done more than once, in order which the result shown in limit trial, so that the main products or model draft is ready to test more widely. 6. Main field testing, the main trial involving all students. 7. Operational product revision, which is the make improvement to the result of weather trials so that the product developed is ready on operational model design that is ready to be valid. 8. Operational field testing, namely the validation test step again the operational model that has been produced. 9. Final product revision, which is to make final improvement to the model developed to produce the final products. 10. Dissemination and implementation, which is a step to disseminate the product or model developed. Result 1. The availability of learning video-based and local wisdom that can improve learning outcomes and develop the values of student character education. 2. Provide opportunities for grades 5 students to learn independently, repeatedly, wherever and whenever so that active and fun civic learning takes place. 3. This local wisdom-based learning video development product has been assessed by material experts, instructional media experts, and from grade 5 students of SDN Cipete 2 Serang City as the target of learning video use development. 4. The use of learning video for civics subject matter respect for the disease together with the 50 grade of Cipete 2 Elementary School, Curug Subdistrict Serang City is proven to be able to improve the learning outcomes of students where the average value which is around 72.63 after use the developed learning video 3 increase is the average score to 79.72. 5. Can develop the educational values of students, especially religious values, honesty, reliability, discipline, hard work, confidence, critical and creative thinking, independent, course, love, knowledge, aware of the right and obligation, obey rules, responsibility, extensive of learn, respectful, social and environmental care, and respect for diversity. Discussion and conclusion. 1. Development of learning videos based on local wisdom on civic subjects based and developed around research and development model, which consists of 4 main steps, research, design, development, model, evaluation, validation, and application of the model, and model implementation. 2. Learning videos of effective how to be decided as an alternative media model for civic learning media so that civic learning activities become more active, creative, and fun and can develop student character education values. 3. The use of local wisdom-based learning videos on civic subjects is proven to be able to improve student learning outcomes with an average score of 72.63 when pretest to 79.72 on first test, which is above the minimum competence criteria limit ranks 75 and